Alright, so here at Dad's place, and I have managed to retrieve a 1948 to 50 Ford F8. This truck was set up as a highway tractor, so it's got a short wheelbase, and it's got the 337 Ford flathead V8, the big block flathead V8 in it. Motor turns over, extremely pleased about that. And I'm going to actually have to sit here and unload it in a pretty big hurry, so I'm not gonna really take any video of that. And then I've got to light off and get a second one. There was a pair of them. The other one has had the chassis cut just behind the cab, so I'll be going to grab that and bringing that back here as well. But yeah, this is going to be a really good chassis for my F5 Coleman project. The chassis that I have is all pitted and damaged. This is a good stiff chassis. Well, there it is, off the trailer. Got to run up and get the second one now. For my Coleman project, I picked up a pair of trucks, both of which are much more heavily used, but they're still solid machines. Both of these trucks have the big block flathead V8s in them, the 337 cubic inch displacement motor that went in F7 and F8 trucks in 48 through 51, I believe, and they also put them in the largest Lincoln cars. Now the truck engines all have the 8EQ part number series on them to identify them, whereas the Lincoln motors all have 8EL associated with them. But both of the motors in these trucks turn over, and at some point we'll probably do a cool little video of getting them fired up.